In this video, I'll walk you through how to run a retrospective in Confluence. Start by clicking on Untitled Draft in the left sidebar to open a blank page. The page opens in the main editor view with an empty title field at the top. Click the More Actions button in the top right to open the menu. A drop-down appears with several page management options including Templates, Move, and Export. Select Templates from the menu to open the Page Block Template sidebar on the right. The sidebar displays a search box at the top and a scrollable list of available templates below. In the search box, type Retrospective to filter the available templates. The list updates to show only matching templates for retrospective meetings. Click the retrospective template from the results to preview it. An expanded preview shows the template structure with sections for liked, learned, lacked, and longed for. You'll see a 4Ls retrospective option appear. Click that template to load it into your page. The template content populates your blank page with pre-formatted sections and placeholder text you can customize. Click the Publish button in the top right, and a title required error message appears. Confluence requires every page to have a title before it can be published to the workspace. Click into the title field and type a name for your retrospective. Here I'll type Test. The error clears as soon as you start typing, and the Publish button becomes active again. Click the Publish button again to open the Publish Page dialog with your publishing options. The dialog shows where the page will be published and any notification settings for team members. Click the Publish button in the dialog to confirm and publish your retrospective page. The 4Ls template gives you 4 ready-made sections: liked, learned, lacked, and longed for, which you can fill out as a team during your retrospective meeting. If you need to edit the page after publishing, just click the 3-dot menu at the top right and select Edit to go back into the editor. You can also change the template structure by adding or removing sections to fit your team's retrospective style. And that's how to run a retrospective in Confluence. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.